Hello there, I will be instructing you on how to print your 3D model. Select the model you wish to print and press Next. Then, select the printer you are using. Identify the material you have set up on that printer. I have PLA, so I will find PLA and select it. Now you will need to configure the print settings. Supports are used to assist the printer print on overhangs. The brim is an outline around the model used to adhere the model to the platform. The last option, Details, enabling fine details will increase print time but improve surface quality. Press Next. Ensure the printing platform is clear. You can now press Print.